Oh, hi there. This is Dave Burse. You're joining me on the beachfront in Nice. It's nearly evening, and I thought maybe I could read you a little extra snippet out of the book as a free sample. This is the beginning of chapter 2, the evolution of creative thought. Let's imagine we found a magic portal that connected your home to the beautiful and fertile Sahara region of 50,000 years ago. Let's now step through that portal and find a human from this upper Paleolithic period. They'd look a lot like you. They'd walk in pretty much the same way as you. Given a good bath and a trip to the hair salon, they'd probably scrub up pretty well too. But your lives would be entirely different. Their day-to-day existence would involve hunting, gathering and running from wild beasts. Their shelters, if they had any, would likely be caves or basic wooden structures. Their main priority would simply be survival. So you may struggle to find much common ground for conversation. As the product of a modern civilized society, you're obviously superior to them. After all, you have culture, tailored clothing and a smartphone. You've got a day job and a handful of nice references on LinkedIn. That must make you more capable and intellectually developed, right? Let's imagine in this fantasy we're sharing that you trade places with this primitive human. You're now the one living in the prairie and they're the one trying to survive in a modern city. Who will last longer? I'm afraid my money's not on you. Sorry about that. There are a couple of reasons for this. The first is that humans have successfully made life safer and easier over the years, as long as the ancient human doesn't immediately walk out in front of a bus. They'll easily find everything they need for survival, although I imagine they'd be picked up by the authorities pretty quickly for transgressing some modern social norm like shoplifting or urinating in public. The second reason is that you've lost all the skills that would help you survive in the wild. Even if you've watched every single Bear Grylls episode, you'd probably struggle to light a fire and build a safe shelter. And I wouldn't have much confidence in your ability to spot the leopard sneaking through the long grass towards you. Traveling away from the past. Thousands of years of creative thinking have progressively separated us from our ancient ancestors. Each idea we embrace as a society separates us from our past and nudges us into the future. These developments tend to make things easier for us, with the notable exception of Microsoft Word. The creative breakthroughs started by increasing our physical capabilities. They let us perform tasks with less effort and augmented our abilities so that we could achieve things not previously possible. Technological developments then did the same for our mental capabilities. The invention of maps meant we didn't need to hold routes and environments in our heads. Then the invention of TomTom meant we didn't even need to know how to read a map. Each time we embraced something new, we let go of something old. We've shaped the world around us to make things as painless as possible. And the world we've created has in turn shaped us. I think we'll leave it there for today. If you want to know more, all you have to do is buy a copy of How to Get to Great Ideas, available in all good bookshops, all good Amazons, and you might even find it in a library if you're lucky. But there you go, this is the book, and I would love you to read this and tell me what you think. Thank you.